This video will explain how Microsoft Access works. Shining Kindergarten is a company owned by an entrepreneur identified as Madam Rina. Initially, she documented all transactions and data manually, but she soon began using Microsoft Office tools such as Microsoft Word and Microsoft Access. Due to the growing number of enrolled kids, she has taken the initiative to purchase Microsoft Access software to make it simpler for her to record all transactions and data. Therefore, I defer to the next member of my team to describe in detail how Microsoft Access works by Shining Kindergarten.
Hello, my name is Mohamad ZULKIFLI. My matric number A21A2631. Now, we go to the student registration. At this part, you can see the student ID, student name, number phone, address, student email, parent name, registration date, student gender and student registration package. To see the next record, you click the next record button, and to see the previous record, you can click the previous record button. And to add the new record, you click the add record and save the record. Next, we go to the fee record. For this part, you can see the fee ID, student ID, fee date, item ID, package tuition, and quantity. For example, you can write down the quantity and you add the record. So you can see the total of the receipt is RM900 ringgit.
Next is expenses record. In expenses record, I will explain how to use it. To add new information, we need to fill the information in the category name. Then, we need to fill in expenses date and expenses amount. After that, we need to press add to save the data. This remove button works to delete data that we don't need. Next, we go to the total expenses report. In this, it will show the total that we have added just now in record expenses. Here, the total is divided into two, namely by category and by month. What is written in expenses record will be entered here. This add new record button will return to expenses record. Next, we look at the relationship. Here it shows the expenses record with total expenses record are related because they have a relationship with each other.
I will explain total income report and simple profit and loss report. For the next part is total income report. In the total income report, there are 4 sections, namely recent sale, fee by month, fee by package, and also fee by customer. All of these parts are recorded as fee record from previous record. Lastly, at the end show the profit and loss report, total expenses and total income for each month in this section. The entire income from the total cost must first be deducted to get the total net profit for Shining Kindergarten.
As previously said, each button has a specific purpose. Each button function is interconnected and linked to others. Student registration is one such example. Each piece of data discovered in student registration will be instantly added to the fee record. The fee form is then used to record the fee payment registration. After capturing the fee payment data, the data will be immediately added to the total income report. This demonstrates that there is a relationship between the fee form and the total income record. The purpose of the expenses form is to document fee payment registration. The data will be immediately loaded into the total expenses report after the entry of fee payment data. This indicates that there is a relationship between the expenses form and the total expenses record. Lastly, is the simple profit and loss report exists for the sole purpose of determining whether or not Shining Kindergarten has made a profit. In simple profit and loss report, it just monthly total income and monthly total expenses are collected. Total monthly income minus total monthly expenses yield the calculation formula. This computation will be performed automatically owing to the relationship between the two variables. In conclusion, the operation of Shining Kindergarten will be facilitated by the availability of such a system.